Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will just change the contours line smoothing and the contour interval. For this purpose, we need to select the surface, right click, go to the edit surface style, or you can also go to the ribbon, and from here you can just select the edit surface style. Once this box will open, let me just zoom this area here, then we can see the difference here very easily. So click edit surface style and this toolbox menu will open, and from here, as I explained in the previous videos, we can go to the contours option from here, and from here we can just go to this contour interval. Once we go to the contour interval, we can change the contour interval. Let me select is 0.25. This measure will be changed automatically. So once you click here, and next, if you need to change the contour smoothing, first of all you need to change it to true, and next you need to increase this level. So apply and OK. Now you can see the contour intervals is increases and your contours is rounded. If you click here and decrease this to 0, the smoothing, apply, now you can see your contour is very sharp. So for this purpose you need the contour smoothing from here. So select it from here, apply, and for example, if I'm going to change the color for the contours, I can go to the display. From the display, I can change the color from here very easily. So let me select for the minor, this magenta, apply, and for the major, I can just select this color, apply, and OK. Now you can see it just selected very successfully.